The bike is all packed. We're ready for this gathering of Guzzis down in Alexandra. Gaggling, rattly, tappet thing going on, or they call it the Tatley Rap. It must be some sort of speech impediment. I've had one of them for all my life, but that's alright. So looking forward to the trip down. Got a few people travelling along, so it should be a good one. The sky above is blue to a degree, but it's foggy and cloggy. It is what it is. It'll be a good one, I'm sure. We'll hit the road and do the business. It's a beautiful day for a ride.
On the Griso with the brand new timing chain and tensioner and so on done. Heading southward to pick up a couple just down the road and another couple out at Oxford as we head across the Waimakariri Gorge Bridge and we trip up the Waimak Gorge Road, a little wee short, slightly twisty bit of section of road, often as part of the three gorges as it were, the Ashley Gorge, Waimak Gorge and Rakaya Gorge. Makes a good ride if you're looking for somewhere to escape. And we're now approaching the Rakaya Gorge. Beautiful outlook across there down into the valley with the river. Quick stop to reflect and regroup. Another couple of bikes pass us by whom we were meeting up with, one being a Buell and the other a classic Moto Guzzi V11. Southbound in our group heading towards Geraldine, but it's always worthy of a pit stop at Mayfield. Perfect timing on an early morning stretch. From Geraldine to Fairlie on our way for a pie, and this is a beautiful stretch of road which, if you're lucky, you don't get any traffic, and it's a nice wee short windy stretch just to really get into the groove of things. I love this bit. Pulling up on the mighty Fairlie Bakehouse, a home of great pies, great sweets, and a good chance to replenish their soul. The bakehouse for a pie, which is damn delicious, and there's the old Guzzis there parked up, ready to get on the way again, heading towards Amarama. Always, no matter what, whether there's a cloud in the sky or whether there's blue skies, the ride down through to Tekapo, Amarama is magic scenery and so on, and the mountains majestically beatific. There's nothing better way to describe it, to be quite honest.
turn this way.
Well, I'm pleased to see some sunshine.
You need a walk.
We stop at Marama to refresh the motorcycles with some fuel and refresh the body with a nice refreshing beer as before we head up over the Lindis Pass. A beautiful piece of road and another beautiful day to travel. Conditions were awesome, fabulous, loving it. A couple of us were on the more superior Guzzi machine, being the 1100 Griso. This is the first time coming along to a Moto Guzzi rally on my Moto Guzzi. Up over, down again into Terrace, getting closer to our destination, not very far now to get to Alexandra. There were quite a few constabulary on the road. We were well behaved and no need for them to disrupt our pleasant journey.
Okay, so we're at the Alexandra Holiday Park. We're just leaving it, walking down to, I don't know, down towards the township. That's where all the Guzzi people will probably hang out. There's a few here at the camp. Let's keep going. I've done my moustache because it's not so, I don't have to put it inside my helmet. It can be a bit awkward. But anyway, it's getting windy and I'm going to get these legs moving.
The Alexandra Club was the venue for the festivities and gathering of fellow-minded Moto Guzzi enthusiasts and the base for all of the weekend's happenings. Signing in and checking out a few bikes that had parked up here before we decide on what we're going to do next. There'll be meals and so on here along with the gathering before going out on rides. So it should be a really good weekend. 3 days of awesomeness really. For dinner on Friday night, we went to a little Thai restaurant just next door to the club. Had a really delicious meal before heading back to the club to catch up with said people that were gathering.
19 Cherry Port from Suncrest Orchard, wherever it's located at. Where's Suncrest Orchard? Cromwell.
Is it from
What's that, Cromwell?
Hello. Alright, they're not very easy. Like I said, I only want to taste, man.
Cheers. Cheers. Port from Cromwell.
Yeah, alright. Oh, that is fun. Ooh.
It's like plum.
Wow.
Mm.
A lot of fun in that.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you, mate, this is deliciousness. If you're going to have a port, I'd go for the Cromwell Plum Port.